There are a few different meanings for will do that you should know about. When you say will do, basically you're saying okay. When a person asks for help or asks for a favor, the question can go like this: can you help me? And the answer will do without the subject. This is the same thing as saying okay or yes, I will help you. Can you help me? And the answer will do. Would you pick up some milk at the store? And the answer to the question could simply be will do. There's no subject. This is just the phrase will do. It's the same thing as saying okay. A person asks a question like this: is this okay? And the answer, it will do. In this case, you have to have the subject. It will do means it's okay or it's good enough. This does not exactly mean that it's good, whatever this is, but it's okay. If I ask my wife, how does this shirt look? How's the shirt? Is this okay? And the answer can be, it will do. It's good enough. It's not a great choice, but it's okay. It will do. Also, these two words are often contracted. So instead of saying it will do, you can say it'll do. If you don't have ground beef, ground turkey will do. For people who don't have a permanent home, a tent will do for now. If you want to know what time it is, a sundial will do.
11 o'clock.
During the pandemic, online meetings will have to do. This won't do. Or you can use will not. This will not do. Means that something is not good enough. There has to be a change of some kind. There must be something different because this is not good enough. This won't do. A person asks, is this okay? And the negative answer, no, this, or you can say it won't do. That means it's not okay. It won't do, or this won't do. If a person is in authority and wants people to be quiet or stop their activity, then that person can say, that will do, or that'll do. This means stop. That'll do. If a teacher wants a group of noisy students to stop talking or misbehaving, the teacher can simply say, "That will do," or "That'll do." This means stop. That'll do.